What if this rat trap backfires? Clay will kill this poor guy.
Poor guy? This scumbag just killed a state official. He spent 5 years in jail for arson. He is not a poor guy.
Look, I get it, okay? They hurt you and you're pissed off.
Oh, please, save it, okay? Save it. This is not personal, all right? I can take a few knocks. My God, it's part of my job. But you know what? If you can't detach yourself from your history with these shitheads, well, then maybe you better shuffle on back to me.
Hey, I know these guys. What you are doing and how you are doing it, it is wrong. Someone's gonna get hurt.
I'm sorry. Okay, I'm sorry that I snapped at you. It's been a tough couple days, and I just... You're right. I appreciate your concern, David. You can watch TV if you'd like, and if you need anything, just let Agent Henning know, all right?
Is she the girl who saw Bobby kill the port commissioner?
Yeah, it's Aviqua Michaels. We're transferring her to a safe house until after the trial. Then Aviqua Michaels becomes Jane Doe. See you later.
Deputy Chief Hale, I've been instructed to escort you from the building.
What are you talking about?
Agent Stahl's request.